Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting inside the page you want to change. Open Notion and sign in now. Once you're on the page, click into the title or blank header area so the top bar shows. Then, make sure to click the three-dot menu at the page's top right. This reveals appearance controls. You'll see a font section immediately. This is where we begin. You'll choose between default fonts and style presets, so pick the menu now to move on. You'll now pick the font, default, serif, or mono. Click one and you'll see the page update instantly. That preview helps you decide. If you're working in a database, open the View settings, hit Customize, and set the font for that view specifically, because databases can render differently. Once done, adjust heading blocks or toggle inline styles to refine appearance. These changes affect spacing and readability. Remember, Notion uses system rendering, so the same font may look slightly different across devices. Finish by applying any advanced tweaks. If you use a theme or third-party CSS injector, make sure you back up content first and understand it's not officially supported. If your chosen font isn't appearing, clear the browser cache, confirm the font is available on your operating system, and update the Notion app or browser. These steps usually fix rendering issues. Finally, test the page on both mobile and desktop to confirm spacing and headings look correct. If something breaks, revert the theme or disable the injector.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.